tell it in a letter, stamp and mail it out. We did our best, couldn't have done better. I think we should be proud, but you held me down. When
I'm so excited. The leaves are starting to turn.
When I was living up, back and forth but never together. So I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now. Holy as a ghost, heavy as a feather, pure as the driven snow. But watch your back, it's heartbreak weather. I think it's time you go. My mind's made up.
Bison.
Ground bison for our chili.
For our chili, yeah. 2 1 pound. Yeah. Do you have any liver by any chance? Okay. Okay, no problem.
Jared's really into liver. Tell them where you used to get it.
Farmer's market.
No, in Studio City, of all places.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tremendous. The lady who sold it, she used to freeze it and then put it in her smoothies.
That's disgusting.
So gross.
I'm open to a lot of health things. That's not one of them.
Holy as a ghost, heavy as a feather, pure as the driven snow. But watch your back, it's heartbreak weather. I think it's time you go. My mind's made up. My mind's made up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and we're just doing like a Sunday day in the life. I'll probably do a grocery haul at some point.
What up?
So we've just been having like a fun fall day. We woke up, we walked the dogs, we went to the farmer's market. You guys saw all this. And now we're going apple picking. Violet is sleeping in the back. And when she was little, we took her apple picking when she was like 2 months, but she was sleeping the whole time because she was 2 months. And now that she's 13 months, I'm excited to see her like that little chubby hand.
She like tries to climb everything now. She walks around, tries to run. I think she's really gonna like it.
Yeah.
My only concern is the bees, because there's always bees at the apple orchards.
There really is. You have to put her on your shoulders. That would be so cute.
See, I've been trying to do that lately, and she gets so mad. She kicks me. She kicks me in the head when I go to put her up. She flops her little legs so fast. She used to love riding on my shoulders, and now she wants to walk herself, but I'll give it a shot.
You're so cute. She used to love, like she's so old, she used to love riding on my shoulders, but that was so 1 week ago.
Yeah, well, you know, it goes fast.
Look at Jared. What are you, an influencer, Jared?
I think so.
This looks so pretty. Look who just woke up in her fall dress. Look at how cute this outfit is.
Oh. I am Mommy Jerome.
Hi.
Say hi.
I'm driving the train.
Wow.
Aw, she likes him. She likes you.
I'm driving the train.
Oh, wow.
Is it going fast?
No, it didn't start yet.
Oh.
Okay.
Well,
Start in a second.
in a second. Well, Violet's excited for it to start. This is not a short people activity. All the good apples are high. Oh my God. Ah, okay. I'll drop it in the bag.
Any other goodies?
Yeah. This guy. Drop it in the bag. I'm on Jared's shoulders.
I feel like you're squishing my head.
Yeah. I think my boobs are. Mmm. What do you think? Want to try a little lick?
She's into the apples.
After a day of apple picking and a nice, cool, crisp evening, we were like, let's make chili. So I just add in olive oil, garlic, and half an onion. And the only thing different I think I do is that I use Bison. So Jared's adding in the Bison that we got from the farmer's market. And then I just break it up. And that's about the only different thing that I do. I add salt, I add pepper. I don't add too many different ingredients. I try to keep it simple so that it's just an easy dinner, an easy fall dinner that you can whip out anytime. I add kidney beans, I add pinto beans, and diced tomatoes. But I'll have the recipe and the ingredients that I use in my description box. That way you guys can just screenshot it and buy the ingredients. And then I add in a chili kit. So I just get these at the grocery store. I buy all different ones. I just like to make sure they're mild because my daughter's having them as well. We usually like to serve it with Greek yogurt, but we forgot to get that. So just cheese and a couple chips.
Chocolate chips and memories, coffee and homemade cookies, they make me feel at home. Father, brother, mother dear, you're so far but feel right here no matter how far I go. There's love inside. There's love inside. Big screen and a lazy boy, green and gold uniforms and a breezy colored autumn day. Phone a friend who's talking trash, or how's the team and how's the dad, and how some things just never change. There's love inside. There's love inside.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm wearing these shorts again because they're so comfortable and like just like that amazing length. So many of you were saying that on Instagram because I showed some behind the scenes at the farm and stuff on my Instagram, and you guys were like, it's the perfect length. They're from Abercrombie. I'll leave it down below. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I got at the grocery store, some stuff that I got at Thrive. This Thrive box, I kind of always like name my Thrive boxes. Like one of them was like the intermittent fasting box, and it was stuff to help me intermittent fast. This box is definitely the fall box. You're gonna definitely want to get some of the stuff that I got, and especially if you want to like follow along with recipes. This video is in collaboration with Thrive. You guys know I work with them all the time, and I'm just such a huge fan. And recently I've had a new appreciation with Thrive Market because we are at our farmhouse, and there is no like trendy grocery store here or like small like health food store anywhere nearby. So I've had such a new appreciation for Thrive, knowing that I can go on their website and just pick out everything I need and it gets delivered straight to my door. So if you're kind of in the same predicament where you don't have as many options near you, or even if you do, it's just so convenient to get like just like the good stuff, like the healthy stuff delivered straight to your door. So you go on there, you can find snacks for your baby, your toddlers, for you, anything. There's organic wine. It really is a one-stop shop, and you don't even need to leave your house. So I will show you guys what I got this month. So fall time, I always think of popcorn. I don't know why, just like I feel like all the best shows come out around the fall. We're waiting for Succession to come back. That's like one of our favorite shows. And I just love to sit on the couch at night, have a little bowl of popcorn. So this is our favorite one as far as like a healthier brand. It's by the brand Lesser Evil, and this is made with coconut oil. They have other flavors too. They have ones made with ghee instead of coconut oil, but I just love this one. It kind of gives it like a salty, sweet taste with the coconut oil, and you just feel like it's just a cleaner popcorn. The next thing that I got, and this is for Oztober, so if you're new to my channel, I do a fall series every year starting in October, and we call it Oztober. And I always make sure I get the organic pumpkin cans from Thrive. I've been saying this, I feel like every single Oztober. You go back, watch old videos, I'm ordering from Thrive and I'm getting my organic pumpkin, and I use this for cookies, muffins, and I make sure to get it early because pumpkin cans like always sell out fast around the fall time. So rainbow sprinkles, artificial dye free. So I've actually bought these before from Thrive Market. What I like is that they're just a cleaner sprinkles brand. I saw these on Thrive Market's website maybe like a year or two ago, and you guys know I like to make my healthy cookies, and I saw them. I was like, you know what, I need to get sprinkles. I want to make like a funfetti kind of cookie and have like lots of sprinkles in them. And these came up artificial dye free, and it just got me thinking like, oh wait, those might be good. Maybe I should go with those sprinkles instead of the ones I always go with. So that's another thing that I like about Thrive. It just gets you to be thinking healthier. Now the next thing I got, so when I make my healthy cookies, which you guys already know, I like to use peanut butter or almond butter. Anytime I'm doing a Thrive order, I pretty much always get a peanut butter or almond butter. And the last thing I got from Thrive, I also get this every single year, and it's by Primal Palette, and it's an organic spice, and the spice is pumpkin pie spice. This is so good. We're gonna be making any fall recipes this year, especially fall lattes or fall cookies, like really anything, you should get the pumpkin pie seasoning, especially if you want to make a healthy pumpkin spice latte and you just want to add in like a little non-dairy milk in your coffee, and you add this on top and it gives it that taste without all the sugar and calories. And what's cool about Thrive Market, and something I love, is you become a member. So there's two different membership options. The first is a 1 month membership if you just want to try it out, and it comes to $9.95 a month. And then they have the 1 year membership, and that's what I do, and that comes to $5 a month. And when you choose that membership, you get 25% off your first order plus a free gift. So I will leave that down below. Okay, so now I just want to show you a quick grocery haul. I like to keep it simple and I like to plan it out. And by simple, what I mean is I don't like to give myself a million options. I feel like when you give yourself a million different snack options, first of all, you forget what you even have in the house, and then things go bad. That happens to us a lot. Or you're just eating way too much and you're overeating, and that doesn't work for me either. So I just like to keep it simple. So snack that's gonna make me feel like $1 million, especially as a busy mom: apple and almond butter. It's sugary, so it just gives me that like midday pick-me-up, and then this is a good fat. So fat keeps you full longer, so that's a great snack. A breakfast that I've been really into, and by breakfast I mean when I am done working out and break my fast, is a protein shake. So I've been doing Primal Kitchen Collagen Fuel Chocolate Coconut. You can also get this from Thrive Market, and this is a collagen protein shake. So I don't know, I kind of been going back and forth what I think of protein powders, and I feel like collagen just gives you the best benefits because it's also going to help your hair, your skin, your nails, and all of that, and it has protein. So I feel like this is a good one. And my favorite non-dairy milk right now, so whenever I'm making a protein shake, I do use a non-dairy milk, and this one is my favorite. It's by 3 Trees, and it's organic, unsweetened pistachio milk. So just something a little funky. I also love coconut milk too. I pretty much switch between this and coconut milk, but this is a really clean brand. 3 Trees. So I know some people don't want the pistachio milk, but still want to get the benefits. I posted this on my Instagram, and get the benefits of a cleaner non-dairy milk. They make other ones too. I believe they make oat, and I think that they make coconut, but you might want to check on that. This is something a little different for me. I usually have shakes without fruit in them, but we've been doing half a banana because I've been giving Violet banana and then she can't eat the whole thing, so I've been taking half and putting it in my shake, and I forgot how much I love half a banana in my shake. So this right here, like the 3 of these, keep me full so long. Collagen mixed with this, pistachio milk, tastes delicious, but it also is a good fat. So all of these, and you can even add in a scoop of a nut butter and really feel like amazing and really feel full. And then I did pick up some more lemons to make my pretty water. If you're new to my channel, pretty water is just fruit infused water. And I like to have this especially in the fall time. You want to have some warm lemon water when you wake up. It'll help your throat. It'll make you feel really good. And then the other thing is, I actually got this idea from my daughter. She's a little trendsetter when it comes to food and she loves hard-boiled eggs. So what we found is that we'll make them ahead of time. We'll make them on Sunday night. We'll make almost like the whole thing of hard-boiled eggs, and then that way we can whip out a snack for her whenever she is hungry, whenever she wants it. Well, I found that when we have a ton of hard-boiled eggs, I'll add them in salads. The other day I made like a tuna salad with some like lettuce and tomatoes, and I added hard-boiled eggs on top, and it was delicious. So it's just like one of those things you forget about, and you're like, wait, that is so simple, that's so easy. So hard-boiled eggs is my other tip. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Make sure to check out Thrive Market. I will have it in my description box. Have an awesome